Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. And y'all, let me just tell you, Dollar General is on fire this week. We have so many good deals, over 100 that we're going to go over in this video, plus some glitches. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a couple of Dollar General videos for you all this week. So if you missed out on watching those, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into all of these good deals that are going on at Dollar General this week. Now, like I said, there's over 100 good deals in this video, and I'm not going to talk through every single one of them because this video would probably end up being like 30 or 45 minutes long. So I'm just going to let these slides scroll across your screen here, but I want you all to keep in mind that on some of these coupon matchups, they do expire on Saturday. So use them before you lose them. Also, just in case we have any newbies out there, keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Now, here in just a few seconds, I'm going to turn on a little music and I'm going to let you guys check out all of these coupon matchups and deals. However, I wanted to go ahead and say that I know that there's some of you guys out there who really enjoy these quick, fast-paced videos where there's a lot of deals packed into one quick 10-minute video. It's kind of a one-stop shop. You know, you get everything all wrapped into one for you. But I do understand that there's some people out there who do not like these videos as much because the slides move rather quickly. And if you are one of those people, all you have to do is go up into the top right-hand corner of this video, and there's going to be a little wheel, like a little gear. And you click on that, that's going to bring up your settings. You go down to playback speed, and you can speed up the video or slow it down, whichever way you want to go. And that way you can enjoy the video and take in all of the deals. So with all that being said, if you guys have any questions, comments, or deals that you want to share, please leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll catch up with you guys here in just a few minutes. Alright guys, so now we've made it to the end of this video, and I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. But I know that some of you guys are like, hey, wait a second. She didn't go over any of the glitches that we have going on at Dollar General right now. Well, just stay tuned. I am going to put together a part 2 to this video. It's going to be up here in just a couple of hours because I also have some Ibotta deals and some Fetch deals that I wanted to share with you all as well. And if I added them on to the end of this video, this is going to end up being a 20-minute video, and we don't want that. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned and turn on those notifications and be on the lookout for part 2, where we're going to go over some Ibotta deals, some Fetch reward deals, plus our full glitch list. So, before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on at this point. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, don't forget to turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help your girl out. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.